Hi and welcome to Randaddy's Kitchen. Today I'm joined by Clare FM, Colum McGrath. He's decided to give me all the ingredients he loves to eat, and I've decided to match it up in a breakfast and see what he has to think. The ingredients that Colum loves is, you want to go through them yourself, Colum?
Yeah, well, like I'm not vegetarian, right? But I always like to go for the vegetarian option. I think it challenges the chef a little bit.
Absolutely.
So I like a couple of eggs.
Perfect.
Some spinach.
Yeah.
Maybe some sauteed potatoes.
Lovely.
Some sort of beans.
Okay.
Just my thing, you know, my breakfast thing.
What we got here is we're going to do a Mexican take on what you said, and we're going to see how that pars up to what you want to eat, and more importantly, if it's tasty.
Your sausages and pudding and having this big juicy baguette.
And why don't you like that? No?
Why don't I like it?
Yeah, what's wrong with it?
Look at the size of me. I obviously used to like it,
I think
didn't
it's the bread. I think everybody's just going away from bread.
Do you think so?
Bread. I wouldn't go for, actually, I go for a breakfast roll after a drink.
Yeah, okay, you need the greasy, the salty thing to revive you and get you back to life, right?
Yeah. So let's go to the pan.
You know when you have to get up at 4:30 a.m. every morning because you're heading to the radio station, but it's just time, you know. But I do go for proper breakfast and later on in the morning when I'm finished on air. So this is my sort of preferred option, you know.
This is the preferred option. And how, are you on air every day?
Yeah, well, weekdays, yeah, Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. till 9. And you know the thing, you're on air and you're giving out the info and all the gossip and you're giving loads of guff, and you hope people are at home cooking the breakfast.
Yeah.
And you want to be part of the day. You're in the background, but you're there, you know.
We're gonna rock. We see there's your caramelization that you want. That's the crispiness that you're asking for. So let's go ahead and toss the onions in there. The reason why we're gonna toss the onions in now is because the water's gonna come out and it will soften things up a bit. I used to run around the shopping stores and looking at the back of labels of tomato sauces to see the ingredients, the main ones, and then try and replicate it myself. Yeah,
but it's cool for me, like at home, when I might be trying this, to just try something new, throw something in, see what it's like, change it up a bit.
Yeah, this is definitely one you can change.
But is this how a chef operates? So, like, I mean, you'll find new things, and suddenly there's a new dish here because you've thrown a few extra bits into something.
I think chefs are always tweaking their good recipes as they go along. Like, we have a seafood pasta here, it's constantly being tweaked. Well, it's not being tweaked anymore. For a few years it's been tweaked, but this is exactly what it is. Or you're thinking Mexican, okay, how do I make that? How do I make the Mexican into breakfast? A little bit of chili. Do you like the chili?
Yeah, go for
Bring
it.
the chili. Bring the chili.
You know, when you order a breakfast, you're out somewhere, and you look for this vegetarian style breakfast. You get your sauteed potatoes here, your mushrooms here, your beans here. It's all sort of compartmentalized on the plate. But you're going for...
I'm going for the pan. I think if I was at home, I'd use a cast iron pan, or even this pan. It just really depends. I'd plop it down the middle of the table, and everybody just dig it out, put it on their plate, and go wild.
But you know when you go, you get a full Irish, and everything's
like a Chinese Asian dish, like what do they call bento box?
Yeah.
But Irish done.
There's just no walls in between the food somehow.
Let's finish this bad boy. We're gonna put tomatoes in, put the spinach in. And we're gonna put a little bit of moisture in here. This is gonna really cook out in the oven anyways. Season up a bit more. I love the colors coming out of here.
The reds and the greens go well together, don't they? The worst cracked egg you'll ever see.
There we go. Hey, it stayed yellow. Yolk didn't break. One more egg, perfect. So, finish this bad boy, we're gonna set it, forget it, and we're gonna work on a smoothie. Well, the breakfast is in the oven, the eggs are cooked, and we've got about 5 minutes to spare. This is a very simple, healthy drink that's gonna come along with it. And I've never really tasted this one before. I don't know if you have.
I'm the guinea pig.
So we're gonna give it a go here. We're gonna whack kiwis in the blender. Boom. We have some green tea that's been seeping. So the idea behind this drink is it's a healthy option. Juice is going in, boom. The bag not going in, but what I'm gonna do is squeeze that out. Boom. I'm gonna put not much spinach because I don't like spinach. You like spinach?
Yeah, I don't mind spinach.
Okay, put it in. We're gonna put
This is very green, isn't it?
one avocado. We're gonna throw a banana in. Boom. Ice in.
The ice, baby.
And then button. Let's go.
This has got to be healthy, man, right? Will we go full whack?
Yeah. So last but not least, I'm gonna add our chia seeds in. Loads of nutrients, don't really know what's in them.
Hey, listen,
but
they're going to keep it regular.
Boom. Want to blast that on? Boom.
Yeah.
We're good.
Oh, look at that.
It's definitely a smoothie.
It looks minty. It's gorgeous.
It's minty. Minty would have been a nice add on to there.
There you go. That's the thing we're talking about.
That's the thing we're talking on. So, mint would have been nice, little freshness in there.
Oh, wow.
So, here we are. Our eggs, our beans, 2 nice chunks of bread. We got our breakfast there. And we're gonna have to wait before we dig into this bad boy.
You're making me wait.
He's gonna have to get his shots.
You can't put grub in front of me and make me wait.
I know. It'll be very hot now.
Trying to get a bit of everything.
Well, I can smell.
Nobody ever had to tell me how to eat, man. Brandy.
I think it's nice and light.
Dude, marry me, will you?
Yeah.
That is gorgeous. I need to get a bit of egg here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Plus,
Look.
egg's a bit overcooked, but I don't think it really matters in this dish.
This is gorgeous.
You have a lot of sauce going on. Lovely bread to put in there.
I have an idea.
It's spicy.
Can I give you an idea?
Yep.
Just name this after me and put it in the menu. I'll take 25% commission.
25% commission. There we go.
Oh, that's really good. Really, really good.
Breakfast, eggs. Let's try the smoothie. You know what? It's a health smoothie. It's green smoothie. I have my ideas. What do you think?
I agree with you. It's a health smoothie. You know it's good for you when you're drinking it, right?
You know it's good for you. It tastes all right. A little bit of sugar from the banana. Bob's your uncle. Nice pair up. Happy days.
Thanks, man.
Ooh, thanks for coming. Yeah, sweet. Enjoy.